Meet Hedy. Hedy listens to your meetings and provides real-time insights and suggestions, keeping you one step ahead. Watch as the user taps "Say something smart," and Hedy provides a concise, insightful comment to add to the current conversation. Stuck on a tough question? Hedy helps you formulate impressive answers on the fly. See how quickly the user can type a question specific to the meeting and receive a thoughtful, well-structured response. Hedy helps you spot critical issues and propose creative solutions others might miss, making you stand out in any discussion. Notice how the Identify Blind Spots feature suggests discussion points that the team hasn't considered. Take charge of the meeting's conclusion with Hedy's help in summarizing key actions and decisions. The Outline Next Steps feature provides a clear, actionable list to wrap up the meeting effectively. After your meeting or class, review Hedy's comprehensive summary and full transcript to reinforce your learning and follow up on action items. This feature ensures you never miss crucial information. Hedy, your AI partner for brilliant conversations. Download Hedy now and be the brightest person in the room.